Welcome to this step-by-step guide on Argent Wallet, one of the most innovative and user-friendly crypto wallets in the decentralized finance space. Argent is a non-custodial wallet that eliminates the hassle of managing seed phrases while offering robust security measures like social recovery and multi-factor authentication. Once you visit the Argent website, you're greeted with a clean interface highlighting the wallet's unique features. Argent allows users to connect to Ethereum-based DeFi services without needing complex setups or additional apps. You can stake tokens, make seamless transactions, and even set up Layer 2 scaling solutions for reduced gas fees. To get started, simply download the Argent app from their website to your smartphone. The onboarding process is intuitive and ensures maximum security, guiding you to set up your recovery mechanisms via trusted contacts or devices. Inside the wallet, you'll find an easy-to-navigate dashboard displaying your token balances, recent transactions, and quick access to DeFi integrations. You could access staking options, allowing you to earn rewards on Ethereum-based assets directly from the wallet. Additionally, Argent's integration with ZK Sync makes Layer 2 transactions lightning fast and cost-effective. If you're new to crypto, Argent makes it easy to exchange tokens directly from the wallet using their built-in swap feature. They also support various DeFi protocols for lending, borrowing, and earning interest, offering a gateway to passive income opportunities. Before we proceed, here's an important note. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Argent also prioritizes user security, utilizing multi-signature architecture, ensuring funds are protected even if your device is compromised. If you encounter any issues, their extensive support resources and community forums are readily available. Dive into Argent Wallet today to simplify your DeFi experience and enjoy the convenience of managing your crypto assets securely and effectively. Sign up with the link in the description and unlock exclusive bonuses. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications for more crypto tutorials and guides.